You have just jumped into a how-to video. Anybody that's watched many of my videos should know I am not an expert at Excel. I do, however, know enough to be dangerous. I'm going to share some of that danger today. I'm going to show you how to do an API, connect an API with an Excel spreadsheet to CoinGecko to get pricing for coins. I call coins in this spreadsheet toys. So the way we're going to do this, you need an ID, a coin ID. So you can get that directly from CoinGecko. It doesn't really matter. Let's just take this coin. If you want this coin, where is the ID? API ID. If you want this coin, make sure you copy this exact name. Now I actually have a list of them already, comma separated, and they're right here. And what I'm about to show you, I believe there's a max of 50. This right here, I believe, is 47 coins. If you have more than 50, you can always just make a second one, which is fairly easy. But what I want to do is take these, comma separated, and it's okay if they're in a vertical pattern like this. And here is the page for the API. So you got to make sure this is active. So try it now. Click that. Use whatever currency you want. We're going to use USD. And here's where you just paste all the IDs in from that spreadsheet. That notepad I just had. I like to sort these by name, ascending. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I think this all looks good. All the defaults are fine. I'm going to go ahead and execute it. And executing it will give me a big, long URL. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that URL. We're going to put this in a new spreadsheet here. I'm just going to click an A1 here. Doesn't matter where you click. I'm going to click data. Get data from other sources, from web. I'm going to paste the URL in there. It's going to bring up the table. You're just going to click to table right here. Press OK. From here, I'm going to just let all the defaults go by, except I am not going to click. I want to unclick the image, and I'm going to unclick that as well. Press OK again, and here's all of our data. Before we do the next step, what I like to do is find the percent, the 24-hour percent. All-time high percentage. I don't want all-time high. I just want the 24-hour percent column, which is right there. And I'm going to click on transform. And I'm going to divide this by 100. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go back to home, close and load 2. And here I'm going to make sure I select A1. I just want to paste all the data there. There it is. From there, I come over here, and I always rename this. So pricing, if I did a second one, it'd be pricing 2, etc. There's a couple other things I do here. Got to remember how to do it. And the reason I say that is because they change. Until a couple weeks ago, I was using Office 2016. This is 2021, I believe I just bought. And they changed the look and where some of this stuff is. So that's what my hesitation was there. I do not want to enable background refresh. Refresh this connection on refresh all is fine. And there it is. That's how you get the API in here. We're just going to add a price in here. I'm going to say this is going to be, let's do XRP. We'll put the price of XRP right here. Press an equal. Going to come find XRP in here. Ripple. Where's R? They change R in the alphabet. There it is. If you want to format this any way you want, if you want to put a $sign in there, highlight the column, hit Control 1. I want this to be currency, and I want this to be 6 decimals. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it in here. Only because we're going to do a refresh all, just so we can see the data change. It might not have changed because we just checked a moment ago, but let's do refresh all. It did change. Actually went up a tiny bit. That's how you do the CoinGecko API. It's completely free. Hopefully it stays free. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Maybe even if it's just learned what not to do. Goodbye for now.